Márk Bíró. Márk Bíró, born 1974, is a Hungarian politician, member of the National Assembly MP from Nógrád County Regional List between 2010 and 2014, and the Fidesz KDNP National List since 2014. He became a member of the Defense and Internal Security Committee on June 21, 2010. According to former Democratic Coalition DK politician Bálint Szabó, Bíró played a role in the leaking of Ferenc Gyurcsány's speech in Balatonőszöd in May 2006. On June 27, 2013, Szabó said Eduardo Rózsa-Flores gave the recording to Bíró. The speech was made public several months later, which led to the 2006 protests in Hungary. As of July 2019, Bíró never once spoke at a plenary session of the parliament. Personal life. He is married. His wife is Iveta Bíró Wiltner. They have a daughter, Nicoletta. References